Hey everyone! So today we're working on an 8x24 canvas. I do have a beige base coat down. It's actually called Sand from Lucas. So we're going to do a dirty pour, not quite a ring, we're going to travel it, and then I'm going to inject my white base paint into it. So my colors today are Lucas Van Dyke Brown, Deco Art Rich Espresso, Deco Art Worn Penny, it's a metallic, Craftsmart Gold Metallic, Lucas Brown Ochre, Lucas Terracotta, and Lucas Caramel. So this should be a pretty palette with the beige background. So what I want to do is spray my cup first with the WD-40 silicone spray. That will help me release all the paint from the cup. Alright, and then we're going to layer in the cup on one side of the cup. Oops, I'm sorry, we got blurry there. So I'm going to start with, see, last color out, I should do some caramel. I think I'll just go in the order that I have them. Some terracotta, Van Dyke Brown, and then we'll go with the Rich Espresso, because that's a brown base as well. And we'll hit some Worn Penny in there. That metallic is pretty. And then we'll do the Lucas Brown Ochre. It's a new color, I like it. For me, it's a new color. And then the gold. And we're going to do it again. I don't think I want white, but I might want a little bit of black to break that up. Okay. Let's go again. I want to make sure I have enough paint to go from one end to the other and possibly come back up through a little bit. And all these paints and the bottles do have silicone in them. Okay. Let me push those out of the way. I think I have enough paint. We should be fine. I like to have more than I need, just in case. Alright, so let's start on this end. Wait till we get some more color coming. I don't think we'll have enough to go back through, but, well, maybe. I didn't want to use white in the cup because I wanted to come back through and inject the white down the middle. Okay, perfect. All right, love the black in there. So this is very thin paint, so we shouldn't have any trouble getting it to go in. So I think I'm going to do is come up under and I'm going to squiggle it through. And then I'm just going to pick random spots to put it because we're going to dump some of this off. Here real quick. It's got everything all over it but white. So I already have some cells popping up through. There was no silicone in the white, so this is just a reaction, probably of the Floetrol and also the densities of the paint. So let's go ahead and tip. I just want to open it up and see if that white that I squirted down the middle will make an appearance, but I don't think it's going to. So that was kind of a waste of time. But I do have a ton of paint on here, so I definitely want to move it around to open up some color. Okay, so let me get it down here, and you can move paint underneath of paint by rocking your canvas. That helps to bring it all together in one spot. So then when you tip, as you can see, my middle is going to come right down to me. The runoff is pretty. I wish we would have had a little black show up on this end, but I think that's pretty cool. So let me torch it and see what happens now. I was kind of hoping the white that I poured down the middle would come up, break everything up, because it didn't have silicone in it. But I can still add white to it. Because I feel like we're lacking something here in this area. So let's go ahead and try that. So I'm going to push up under and squirt. That should be enough probably. And then we'll go ahead and tip that off. Sorry, you can't see what I'm seeing. I wanted more white in there. Yeah, I kind of like that. That's kind of cool. And I should get more cells coming up here because the black is trying to pop through. So let me torch it. It's being a little stubborn, but it will come. Sometimes I'll put my paintings on the rack and I come back the next day and I'm like, oh, that don't look anything like it did yesterday. It's amazing how silicone plays with your paint. It's got to come up. It doesn't want to stay down there. Just opening up that area here just a little bit more. And I'm tilting very hard here, which I don't normally do. There we go. I love the way that caramel showed up here with the gold. And the terracotta is everywhere, which whenever you're using a red or an orange, it always takes over. But yeah, I like it. So subscribe if you haven't already. Click on that bell next to the subscribe button, and that way you'll be notified when we upload the next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join us on Facebook. We have our art page, Christina Welch Art. And we also have our group, the Praj Posse. And there you'll see some beautiful artwork in that group, let me tell you. These girls amaze me. We also have all of our supplies on our Amazon shop. That link is below. If you're interested in purchasing paintings, they'll be on the Etsy link below. We also have jewelry. And we'll be putting a lot more stuff in there in March. And also our fan mail box and our PayPal donation link. All of that information is below as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.